Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the last video of the series, part 5. So this is me going over the style idea with my client. I'm just crisscrossing these wigs together to make like a braid. It's a really simple style. When I get more into the video, I'll be redoing this style. I did leave one out in the back, I didn't realize, but the final style, it will be all tucked in, and I'll show you guys how I secure the bottom. But this is just a rough draft, essentially, to make sure that she approves first. Okay, we've just finished the wicks and now we're getting prepped for the style. But before that, I'd like to show my client a view of the back of her head and what it looks like down. So now I'm just crisscrossing them like I said earlier, and hopefully you guys can tell what I'm doing. I'm just taking the ones that stick out the furthest from the outside and bringing them right to the middle and crossing it over. I'm trying to leave the longer ones for last so I can have something to tie her hair up with. So I kind of just grab the two longest ones and wrap them around the bottom there. And I'm just going to use one of my large rubber bands to secure it. And I just tie the two together. I don't bother putting the full ponytail together. Overall, this is a very relaxed and easy style to do, just something to keep their hair out of their face and go on about their day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video series. If you haven't already, go back and watch the whole thing from the beginning, starting with video 1. I walked through the entire process of how I repaired her wicks. And if this channel has helped you guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and I look forward to sharing more with you.